we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
Hey everyone, how's it going? I thought I'd share with you guys the autopilot dash cam and the quality during the daytime of an incident that happens to me today, and just to show you guys that it can read license plate. But I just want to let you guys see what happens while I'm cruising down this HOV, which is a 2 or more person lane. It's not a fast lane, but I'm cruising about 78 miles per hour. The speed limit is about 65. So as long as I'm going with the flow of traffic, I'm going a little bit faster, because typically people go a little bit faster in this lane. Then here comes this Acura MDX that cuts me off. And he cuts me off because of that Suburban that cuts me off, but he shouldn't be speeding that fast anyways. And he was about, maybe, I would say, a feet away. I was able to get his license plate very clearly. Although he passed me very quickly, the autopilot camera picks up license plate really well if you zoom in the video. And also, it serves a great purpose for reading signs. It doesn't have the greatest video quality, but then again, that's not the purpose of the camera. So I continue to drive in the HOV lane, and this guy still is in front of me, and we're passing a bunch of traffic now. I was just curious why he cut me off so closely even without signaling, and was he just doing that just to avoid the Suburban? Maybe so. So that's fine. So I'm just gonna continue cruising my way. But as I observe him merging onto a adjacent lane, so these 2 lanes, he's supposed to yield, but he doesn't. He actually rides a solid line and cuts this van off, this Chrysler van off, making the van having to slam on this brake. And I decided to move to the adjacent lane so I don't have to slam on my brake. Of course, I did check to make sure it's clear first.